anyone who would love to initiate or to start the thing which we have given. The topic was school fees should be taken during this period of corona come lockdown crisis. For or against. That means the person who is for it will have to talk in favor of school fees. And the person who are against this will have to talk against school fees, that it should not be taken. You should have a proper data, you should have a proper information related to it while you're talking. Just don't talk on your opinions and views, please. Okay? Yes, now who would like to start with it? Rahul Singh Pawar has entered. Rahul, I would love to see your face. So please switch on your video. Ishan Khatri, switch on your video. Yes. Who would like to initiate the topic? Think, like, see, right now this is like a newsroom going on. If anyone has seen Arnab Goswami having a debate, this is kind of people, when 13, 14 people are there always and they are having shouting on each other, but we will not shout on each other, we are going to talk with each other. Yes, Rahul has raised his hand, so Rahul, go for it. Initiate.
First of all, good morning all.
Yes, good morning, thank you.
Today's topic is economic effect of lockdown on education and should school be open?
The topic is
school fees should be taken
during
this period of corona lockdown crisis.
Yeah.
So as we all know that every industry has been hit during this crisis, and so has been the education industry.
Okay.
And the biggest stakeholders in this industry are the school owners and the teachers. And in this crisis, they are the ones whose life are at risk. So the question arises, if online education and online classes are going on, should they be given fees or not? अब सीधी सीधी बात है, अगर जिस स्कूल में ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही है उन्हें तो फीस देनी चाहिए. अब जिसमें नहीं हो रही तो उनको फीस किस बात की? अगर उन्हें टीचर पेमेंट करना ही नहीं है तो उन्हें किस चीज की फीस चाहिए? और अगर जो स्कूल्स फीस ले रही है तो उन्हें भी फीस को कम कर देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो पीरियड है इसके अंदर इकोनॉमी पूरी तरह से रुक चुकी है. इस रुकी हुई इकोनॉमी में एजुकेशन को अवेलेबल कराने के लिए कुछ तो स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे, और अगर गवर्नमेंट इसमें मदद करना चाहती है तो गवर्नमेंट को कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए जिससे स्कूल्स को फाइनेंशियल मदद मिले, जैसे उन्हें एमएसएमईज में ऐड कर दे जिससे वो भी लोन्स ले सके, तो एक बार फीस को डिले किया जा सके.
Over here, I would like to give a fact check, Rahul. Can I? As nobody
Yes, sir.
Can I give a fact check? The fact check is
Yes,
that schools are enlisted in MSME. They can take the loan from government in MSME. The government has already approved that.
Sir, the journal I took my data from is probably outdated. I will look it up, sir.
Yes, definitely. Thank you. Continue.
I will look it up. And if schools are taking their fees,
I am saying you because our school, Real Public School, has also applied for that.
and if schools, yes sir, if schools are taking fees, they should be reduced to some extent, as many schools have reduced the fees of their teachers to half. They should also reduce the fees of their students as well, as we know that many schools are not suffering that much. Yes sir.
Fact check. Can I have a fact check over here?
Yes sir, you definitely
No
can.
one is, see, I am also a participant today. I am not the one who is the mediator or someone like that over here. We all are participants, so as nobody is participating that skillfully or not coming out, they are not communicative enough, so I am giving you the fact checks over here. That's it. Why? Because it is very important that what you are saying should have a fact attached to it. What do you have said the
Yes,
last
sir.
line? The last line was? The last line, please.
Good.
Can you please pardon me and repeat that last line, which you have said?
कुछ स्कूल्स में टीचर्स की सैलरी हाफ कर दी गई है तो उन्हें.
But why it has been done half?
Yes sir.
If you don't know, let me give a fact check that that has been on half for the period of time up till they are not getting the fees because the schools are not having the money to provide it to them. So they have been paid that you will be provided the whole amount once the school starts running properly. So that whole thing again depends on that if the fees comes, the teachers are going to get the whole some amount of money, and if the fees doesn't come, the schools will not be able to provide them the money. That's the thing. So that's the factor which I have given you. The half money which is being given is because of this, not because that they will not be provided with the money ever.
Okay, sir. Okay, I understood.
Okay, continue.
ओके सो बात ये है कि 50% टीचर्स को मार्च से सैलरी नहीं मिली है और 20% को अभी तक मिल रही है। ये मैंने लिया है नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ सेक्टर रिपोर्ट ऑन प्राइवेट स्कूल्स इन इंडिया से। तो ऐसे में पेरेंट्स को कुछ हद तक तो फीस प्रोवाइड करनी ही चाहिए।
Okay. So that's your point. Can we move on to someone else over here who would love to go against it?
Yes, sir.
I have not understood Rahul is in favor or against of it.
That's what I have a problem with. What are you favoring? Basically, Rahul. Basically, Rahul, what are you
favoring?
He has said both type of points over here.
I am favoring the collection of schools. I am in favor of collection of fees.
You are in favor of collection. So over here, we have got one candidate who is favoring the collection of fees. That is Rahul Singh Pawar. Now, is there anyone who would love to go against it or would love to add some points in favor of this thing? What Rahul has said. See, you will have to participate fast. We don't have this much of time. Like start watching Arnab Goswami shows, not for learning anything, but just for having those points inside in your hand, like Arnab Goswami has it. The facts, the data, because you are an economist, you need to have that data. If anyone wants to be a journalist or wants to be anything related to media, communication, anything, you will have to have this kind of, confidence within you.
I want to add on with Rahul, as I am in favor of taking school fees.
Okay, fine.
So we have,
just give me a second. I want to ask just one more thing. Are you in favor of giving the whole school fees, or are you in favor of just the tuition fees and not adding all other fees over there? After the school
I am in favor of just giving
tuition fees, right?
Just giving tuition fees.
Okay, fine.
Because I have seen
I'm adding the school tuition fees, okay? Overhead charges, we are not counting over it.
Sir, I must say over here कि tuition fees is just because कि कल जब I was reading through the pages and sites, I have seen on a site that the schools are taking transport fees also, annual charge जो होता है diary, identity card इन सब चीजों का, some schools are taking that also.
That is being
when
taken. That is being taken in normal cases, not right now, I think.
It has been stopped after direction of PM Modi and HED.
Okay.
I have what they said. I have that comment that.
Just continue, Anjali. We are listening to you.
So it was said that we have directed schools not to deprive children of attending online classes.
Unmute yourself. Yeah, continue.
So I am in favor, so I want to add on this that people have directed schools not to deprive children of attending online classes whose parents are unable to pay their fees due to financial constraint during this crisis. The schools can collect the fees later on, says by senior official of Educational Department, Delhi. after the after the direction of school fees by PM Modi. They want to just say कि मतलब Vineet Joshi, the chairman of CBSE, former chairman of CBSE, has said a very good line. So I have read it.
Yes. The video has got stuck.
Schools are not giving that. Roll out the students from their school list. Parents
Okay,
can slowly and gradually to give the fees, not whole, but they should give, because at the end of the day, teachers come at the middle class point. No one is there who is earning in crores and then coming to teach. So one should not demotivate teachers by not giving them their particular salary. At the end of the day, we have to start from some point. हमें शुरू करना पड़ेगा कहीं ना कहीं से ये सब. So it would be definitely wrong, wrong and right person. It would be, I think it is wrong that if parents are not giving fees to them, to schools.
Okay, fine. So your point taken. Is there anyone who would love to go against it? Because basically what we are saying, this today is the best day to have this kind of debate, DD, because today in Rajasthan or all over India, basically, I don't know about the India thing, but in Rajasthan, it has been called that today is the day when parents are going on strike against the school fees right now. All right, and see the irony that parents are going for the strike against the school fees. The schools are running the online classes, and there are students who are joining the online classes. So, what for parents are going against the school fees? I am not understanding. Like all the students are attending the online classes, but parents are against. But what for? So this goes for school fees again. The life thing. Yes, Manish Khatri, you have raised your hand and go for it.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good
सर है ना
afternoon.
सर स्कूल तो चलो सर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है.
बेटा एक आपकी आवाज में कट के आ रही है, थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे आराम से बोलो, चबा चबा के बोलो.
सर स्कूल तो चलो सर मान लिया अपना ना ऑनलाइन क्लासेस दे रहा है. पर है ना सर ये उनको कैसे पता है सर है ना, मान लो पेरेंट्स के पास डिवाइसेस ही ना हो तो सर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का फायदा क्या हुआ फिर?
It's like you are asking over here. I would like to contradict. Is there anyone else who would love to contradict him on this point?
सर एक डेटा है मेरे पास सर.
तो पहले आप डेटा दे दो मनीष, पहले आप डेटा दे दो.
सर स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑन ही नहीं है पर.
मैं कर देता हूँ आपके लिए स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑन. वेट अ मिनट, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड. Share screen option. Yes, I have switched it on. Yes, you can share it right now. Are you sharing it?
यस सर. 1 मिनट सर, एक बार मेरे को निकालनी पड़ेगी. एक सेकंड मैंने बना रखी है सर.
निकालो, आप निकालो. तब तक मैं जो आपने बात कही, I believe Rahul was going to speak something on it. Yes, Rahul, what he has said was that अगर स्टूडेंट के पास डिवाइसेज ही ना हो, पेरेंट्स डिवाइसेज ही ना प्रोवाइड करवा पाए, तब हम तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस दे रहे हैं, बट उनके पास है नहीं डिवाइसेज, तब.
सर सिंपल सी बात है, जिनके पास डिवाइसेस ही नहीं होंगे मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वो पेरेंट्स एडमिशन ही नहीं लेंगे.
नहीं, एडमिशन तो स्कूल में है ही नहीं ना, आप एडमिशन तो हटा ही नहीं सकते. The government rule says that you cannot strike out any name from your school during this crisis. Now, Manish Khatri is sharing something. You will have to look at that. Yes. According to the Quint.com. Yes, Manish, can you please read it out for us?
Sir, according to the Quint.com, only 1/3 of parents online learning.
Okay. Only 1/3 of parents can afford online learning. Why?
Sir, because of lack of technological devices, only 33% parents could manage to teach their children online.
Okay, fine. And if I ask you that how many students are there in the private schools, what is the percentage of students in the private schools in India? Can you give me that answer? Because
नहीं सर, वो मेरे पास डेटा नहीं है.
It goes back to that place.
I can show you that data.
Can you please move out from this place? When you have shared it, then you will have to move out. Yes. Yes, Rahul, what you were saying. Rather than showing the data, you can explain us that data if you are having it.
Yes, sir. I have it. Wait a second.
Yes, you can explain us that data. Okay, fine. When it's sharing it. More than 50%, show me that data, please. Yes.
Yes.
50% of all
That's the data
students in
highlighted.
India are enrolled today in the 4.5 lakh privately managed school across the country, UDICE. Now, do you know what is the full form of UDICE? UDISE.
What is the full form of UDICE? Can anyone say that? I will say, don't go upstairs. Unified District Information System for Education. Unified District Information System for Education. Okay? While you are searching anything, if you get any word, try to find out what is the full form, where from you are getting it, how you are going to go through it and all. Okay? That is very important. Now over there, what was written was 45%, I believe, right? 45% of what? Schools or schools going children? I'm asking you people only, school or school going children?
Sir, it was school going children.
I'm not getting your voice. Speak loudly because my Bluetooth device is off now.
It was school going children.
It was school going children. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And
please sit here raising the hand again and again. I would like you to add something to this. Yes, Piyush, go for it.
Good
Piyush.
afternoon, sir.
So it was what Manish said was 33%,
Yeah, 33%.
and all over school going children are 45%.
And 45% of the whole of India's school going children are studying in private schools. According to what Rahul Singh Pawar has shown us from UDICE. The data given by UDICE.
So then the majority of students are able to attend the online classes.
Rather than that, yes, that's what I was trying to say. First of all. Secondly,
The majority of students are able.
what this data also shows us that 55% of students who are studying in government schools, they are having no problem basically for the salary and all. They are getting all the things from the government. It's only the private education places which are not being provided with what they should be provided with. Where there's a data which also says that Indian teachers, school teachers, government school teachers are earning 4 times more than the China school teachers, government school teachers. And when you go back to private school teachers, they are not even being given the basic payment over here, which has been prescribed by the government. So now we are talking about something which is so ridiculous that a basic payment is not being paid to the private school going teachers because parents think that we will not provide the fees to the school because it's a business place. Now I would like to ask Piyush Sethia. He has raised his hand from so much of time. First let Piyush Sethia speak.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I am in favor of Rao that schools should have to take less fees because schools only conduct online classes, but not conduct other activities like sports, music, and any other activities.
That's why it has been said. It is only asking for the school tuition fees.
Yes, sir.
School tuition fees, that's for the teachers.
So, sir, schools should have to take less fees.
So school tuition fees is less only, na? Suppose your school is charging around 39 to 40,000.
School पढ़ाए ना.
Yes, Manish, go for it. Vaini has not spoken anything. Devanshi is listening to it superbly, but not has spoken anything. Palak has not spoken anything. Khushbu has not spoken anything. Karthik has not spoken anything. Himakshi has not spoken anything. Ushan has not spoken anything. If you have anything in your mind, rather than just writing it down, speak it out. Yes, Manish, you were saying something.
सर फीस के अलावा भी तो सर बहुत सारे डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं सर ऑनलाइन लर्निंग के.
डिसएडवांटेजेस तो तब गिने जाते हैं ना जब आपके पास कोई दूसरा ऑप्शन होता है. इट्स लाइक यू आर हैविंग नो ऑप्शंस राइट नाउ टू प्रोवाइड स्टडीज. सो हाउ विल यू प्रोवाइड स्टडीज? देयर इज ओनली वन वे आउट, एंड दैट स्कूल मैनेजमेंट्स आर ट्राइंग टू फॉलो, because the school didn't knew that they will have to follow this system, but they were so smart, they have tried it out and they are following. Just like right now, मार्च में अगर किसी ने कहा होता कि सर जूम पे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चला दो हमारे लिए, हमने चलाया होता क्या, या हम चला भी पाते क्या? नहीं. नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन. आज हमें इन्वेंट करना पड़ा ये मेथड हमारे लिए. व्हाई? बिकॉज नहीं तो स्टूडेंट्स को हम पढ़ाएंगे कैसे? आप आज बड़े आराम से, आप क्यों जीडी में बैठे हो, आप क्यों डिबेट कर पा रहे हो? Why are you able to do it? Because we are providing you this space. Otherwise आपका भी तो नॉलेज धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रहा होता है. It is basically said, practice makes a man or woman perfect. You are practicing every day your studies. That's why you are able to cope up with your studies. Think about those students who are not practicing anything right now. 50% of students of Lyall Public School who are not attending the classes, I am assured that they won't be able to properly even understand one basic thing of class 11th or class 9th or class 10th once they join the classes. But if you are regularly attending the online classes, you will be able to. So that's what the thing is. That's what we are talking about. Yes, Devanshi, go for it.
बट सर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जो हैं उन्होंने भी, और बाकी जो बिजनेसमैन हैं उन्होंने भी तो अपने वर्कर्स को काम बंद होते हुए भी सैलरी दी है, तो स्कूल्स क्यों नहीं दे सकते? उन्हें भी तो हर साल प्रॉफिट होता ही है ना.
अब यहाँ पर ना आपको समझना पड़ेगा, अगर आप इंडिया के रूल्स में जाओगे, गवर्नमेंट रूल्स के अंदर, तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा वी आर राइट नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट स्कूल्स which are not charging lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees from you as a fees. We are talking about those schools which are charging 30,000 in the medium category schools, between 20 to 40, 50,000 fees. They are not a profit earning organization. Sorry to say you, but if you will find out, even Lyall Public School in which you are studying is not a profit earning organization. Schools are said to be educational institutions which are said to be non-profit earning organization which works on the minimum profit which they gain and use it back for the school. Like if you are having a construction going on behind, for that there will be a loan of around 5 crore to 10 crore. That will also be provided by the school only. Where from that will come? It is not an industry which is open for profit earning only. Like they can earn 200% profit also. But we cannot, because there are some prescribed rules by the government that you cannot charge more than this fees.
I have another data to add here.
Yes, you can, please. Go for it.
Please say this. 70% of families pay less than 1,000 in course of fees. And 45% of family pays less than 500 in course of fees.
Like 70% families pay ₹1,000. Pay less than ₹1,000 in course fees every month. Now think about yourself, 3 months, you are giving around 9,000 or 8,000 or 7,000 sometimes. So it is coming around 2,000 to 2,500. All right, every month. If your father's salary is suppose around 20 or 25,000, minimum salary I am talking about, father, mother or anyone, 20,000 even. So you are not even giving more than 5 or 10% of your salary to your school. Basically, if you find out in India, the education, why we are lacking back somewhere, it's because of only one reason, that we give education the last ratio of our fund. If you all know that this year, while launching NEP, National Education Policy, we have also improved the spending on education. It was only about 2 point something percentage and it has gone up to 6 or 7% this year. Why we have done that? So that this crisis doesn't come again in the life of in the Indian history again ever in the future of India. Now, anyone else who would love to add anything right now? As there
I
are
have
many
to add.
who are sitting mute and not joining the conversation. There
So
are,
adding on you, as you said, कि school is not.
wait a minute, there are 2 or 3 participants whose videos are not on, Karthik Kuvera and Raghav Modi. Please
I
switch on
have
your
to add.
video. Yes. Yes, Anjali, go for it.
Adding on you, as you said, कि schools are non-profitable institutes. तो मतलब एक
Organizations.
सर्वे क्या हाँ organization school says about 95% of their expense are fixed costs like salary of teacher and other staff which they have to account. The variable
Yes.
expenses like fuel, electricity, stationery items has 5% of total learning of school. So see the ratio, it's 95% of school salary, staff salary, working salary उन पे जा रही है and just 5% of them are selling on their stationery item, electricity. They need a proper institution to work now. They need a proper building to have. So इसके अंदर स्कूल यहाँ पे प्रूफ होता है इट इज अ नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल और कुछ तो अगर एंटरप्रेन्योर कोई भी बिजनेसमैन कोई भी प्राइवेट स्कूल शुरू करता है एटलीस्ट he or she have to earn 1 or 2% for his family also if he have if she or he has invested in something with the intention to gain it back.
Obviously. Obviously. Now,
That's
because
why because 95% of this going again in teacher's salary and और उसके अंदर भी सिर्फ 45% as Manish has said that people Manish or Rahul has said
now, over
only
here, I would like to add one thing, Anjali. I would like to add one thing. You all are thinking only about the teachers. While you are coming to school, there are sweepers. There are people who are in the kitchen. There are staff members. Just because the fees are not coming, they will also not be provided with the proper fees, proper salary. They are earning what? They are earning only 9,000 or 10,000 a month.
I have added here sir salary of teacher and other working staff.
What about the working
I have
staff
said-
members?
सर यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम है, अपने टॉपिक के अगेंस्ट में शायद कोई है ही नहीं.
नहीं है.
बट सर टीचर्स और जो वर्कर्स हैं उनको हाफ सैलरी में भी तो इस बार लॉकडाउन की वजह से खुश रहना चाहिए ना. अब ये थोड़ी
अच्छा, अगर 9,000 आपकी सैलरी है और 5,000 आपको मिले, 5,000 में आप एक घर चला सकते हो क्या?
नहीं तो सर
आपका
पेरेंट्स
खुद
के
का
पास
खर्चा नहीं होगा 5,000 रुपया, उससे ज्यादा खर्चा आपके ऊपर एक महीने में होता होगा.
नहीं तो सर पर पेरेंट्स भी फीस कहाँ से लाए, फिर उनके भी तो काम बंद ही थे.
मैं कहाँ कह रहा हूँ कि हमको I am not asking that we need the whole money. What we are asking is we have already cut down the money. Like we were taking 11 months fees. Schools have said we will take 9 month fees. Now 2 months have been cut. We were taking overhead expenses also. Now schools have said we will take only tuition fees. That has been cut. So 2 steps we have moved further. Now it's the department of the parents to move 2 steps further. We are not asking. See, genuinely, if you'll ask my point of view, there are 20% of parents, 20 to 25% of parents who are genuinely cannot pay. So what the school has said, just give us in writing that you are not able to pay, so we will not strike out your name. So we will get in writing the thing. And 75% are in condition to pay.
And sir, this is the rule passed by
They are
Supreme
not
Court.
paying it by taking the advantage of those 25% students. In the same manner as in India, the quota system work. Like there are students in quotas, like OBC candidates and all, whose family have gone richer and richer every year, but they still take the benefit of quota system. Hindering what? They are the hindrance of those people who are under poverty line and in their own caste system. So basically this is what is happening right now also.
तो इसके लिए तो वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्रीमी लेयर का डिसीजन पास कर दिया ना.
हाँ तो यही तो बोल रहे हैं.
के लिए सर इसके सॉल्यूशन के
आवाज थोड़ा तेज करो बेटा राहुल.
Am I audible now? Hello.
हाँ या you are audible.
और सर इसके लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्रीमी लेयर पास कर दिया. और एक और आयरनी की बात है कि जो टीचर्स है उनमें से कितनों को सैलरी मिली ही नहीं है। 50% ऑफ टीचर्स को सैलरी मिली ही नहीं है और लेस देन 27% को अभी भी मिल रही है।
Yeah,
अब
I
जो
know that.
टीचर कोरोना से बच जाएगा वो तो भुखमरी से मर जाएगा ना।
We are facing this condition, Rahul. Thank you for raising it.
But
Thank you
actually
for
this
raising
topic
it.
hits home for me too, as my household finances also depend on a school. इधर हालत ये है कि लोग टीसी के 50 रुपए भी नहीं दे पा रहे हैं।
Nini, it's like to on a lighter note, when we go to Bhook Lagi Hai and all every places in the evening, we find everyone sitting and enjoying there with all the foods which are charged at 100% profit rate. Okay, and they will come and say to you in the school that we are not having money to pay the school fees. Then how are you going there? That's where the problem lies. For 25% we are ready to give it. We are ready that we won't take the fees from 25% of parents. But they should give in writing now that we are not capable enough to pay. Nobody is giving in writing.
सर हालत ये है कि स्कूल के पास रेवेन्यू का एक ही तरीका बचा है, वो है आरटीए, और आरटीए के ड्यूज पड़े पिछले 2 साल के, 18-19 सेशन के भी नहीं दिए
वो भी
हुए।
नहीं मिलेंगे, अभी गवर्नमेंट के पास पैसा ही नहीं है, देगी कैसे?
भी नहीं मिलेंगे।
Do you know, चलो इसके साथ एक और चीज ऐड करते हैं. How many of you know what is the petrol rate right now? How many of you know what is the petrol price right now? Yes, Piyush.
89 point something.
It's 91 point something. Yesterday's petrol rate. Do you know what was it when the corona started?
It's 71.
It was in between 75 to 80, I believe. Right, Rahul? You are searching on internet, I believe. Search for in Rajasthan, okay?
Sir, 89.24.
In Rajasthan. So the petrol prices have gone up by more than 12 to 15 rupees in the last 3 to 4 months. Okay? Can anyone say why?
वो पेट्रोल के जरिए रेवेन्यू इकट्ठा कर रही है गवर्नमेंट।
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो राहुल प्लीज।
सब पेट्रोल का यूज करके गवर्नमेंट रेवेन्यू इकट्ठा करने की कोशिश कर रही है।
That's what it is, because from nowhere else they are able to have the revenue. They are charging interest rate. They are adding on interest rate every day, and they are trying that we can have the revenue to run the government, to run the state. Otherwise, how will the state run? Because they are not having taxes also. They have not been able to collect GST also this year. So when we say that why the petrol prices are rising, this is the same issue. Like पेट्रोल प्राइस इतना क्यों बढ़ रहा है, तो हम क्या कह देते हैं, गवर्नमेंट अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रही। पर गवर्नमेंट काम कैसे करे, उनको पैसे चाहिए ना काम करने के लिए। That's the same thing with schools. इनको पैसे चाहिए काम करने के लिए। What do you think, the online classes which are coming to you is free?
No, sir.
So schools must have spent something to give you online classes, right? And they are not even able to get back those spending which they have done to give you online classes. That's it. We will continue with the same topic, and tomorrow, because I have some data which I want you to know about, I'll start with that data tomorrow, and I want that everyone who has not spoken, I'll name them: Devanshi Chugh, Wahini, Khushbu, Palak, Himakshi, Kartik Kuvera, Sivender Singh Bhati, Ushan Khatri, and Raghav Modi to speak up, to start speaking up, and after that we can have all of them. Those who have spoken today also, I know that there are so many things left to talk about it. Related to against the thing, I will give you something against this topic, that why we should not pay school fees. I'll come up with that also. Okay, thank you everyone. It was great talking to you all. I believe you all have enjoyed. Bye bye, take care. Sweet dreams, everyone. Sweet dreams, why? Because I know there are many who are going to sleep right now after the class. Jai Shri Krishna. And yes, one more information before you all go. At 1:30, when your paper will come, it will be of 30 minutes. The timer will be running over there at the top of your head. So please solve it within 30 minutes and submit it, because after 30 minutes you won't be able to submit your paper. From now
सर
on,
वो
every day.
कंप्यूटर वाली क्लास चल रही होगी ना?
मैं 2 बजे भेज दूंगा बेटा। आप जब स्टार्ट करोगे, आप अगर रात को 8 बजे भी खोलोगे तो लिंक खुल जाएगा, लेकिन लिंक खुलने के बाद आपको 30 मिनट्स देगा। ठीक है?
ओके सर। हाँ।
थैंक यू क्लास एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे अहेड।